riding my GT Aggressor Pro, doing some wheelies, and so the stock fork, the Suntour, did not like that. I rode it for 3 years, but then I replaced it with a ZTZ mountain bike fork. I know a lot of people have had good luck with them, but my luck wasn't very good. It started making some awful clicking and cracking noises, so I ended up sending it back. And so then I got this X-Fusion Enix fork off eBay for, I think, $40 more. So, pretty good deal. I should have done that in the first place. But I recommend for people that have the GT that after you upgrade from whatever fork you're getting, I say get this X-Fusion Enix. It has 120 mil of travel. It's air, and it's not no Chinese brand. It's X-Fusion, which is a pretty good brand. And then, so my most recent video, I put on the IXF 1x crankset, and so far that's doing great. And the oval chainring, that thing's a game changer. I recommend getting a 32 tooth oval chainring. That's what I have, and that thing, it may not look like it'll do much, but it does a lot, so I'd recommend getting that if you're converting to 1x. And then, my WTB Trail Boss tires, my chain fell off right here. My WTB Trail Boss tires, those are doing great. Barely lost any tread. So on, like, packed down, sandy dirt, they lose a little bit of grip on, like, corners. But besides that, I've been riding my local trails, and they're great. So I'm still running the stock seat, still running the stock brakes and shifter, still have the 1x8, so not much has changed besides the fork. I got new grips, but they got worn down really quickly because they were cheap ones. And then, yeah. Have had to replace the hanger and the derailleur and the chain because I got in a crash and it destroyed all that. Not stock pedals. I haven't saved up enough to get new pedals yet, so I took them off my old Giant that I had. And so yeah, they're still plastic pedals, so they have a little bit more grip than the other ones though. Doing a few stoppies. I have had to replace one of the shifter cable because it snapped. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy.